In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect to a computer on Parsec. The first thing that you want to do is to head over to the official website, create your account, and head over to the application right here. Simply inside, it will take you to this page. The first thing that you want to do is to click on the reload button to simply see your own status. In my case, this is my computer right here. Now, there's going to be two ways for the host and the client. Basically, let's say that I am trying to connect to this computer. You want to ask that computer to share their own link. Now, how can they do that, or how can you basically share your link if you want someone to connect to your own machine? Basically, all you have to do is to click on the share button inside computers, and you will get this unique code right here. You want to send it to your friends, or you want to ask your friends to send it to you to basically connect to your machines. After getting the link, you want to navigate through this section, copy your link, and then you want to click on the join button. So let's just go ahead and copy this this text, click on paste, and basically from there we will be able to go ahead and connect to a computer. Unfortunately, I'm having some problems, maybe because I'm trying to connect to my own computer, but basically that's the whole idea. You want to paste your link right here, and voila. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.